We have got 3 lists. We've got cars, Italy, France and Germany. Select the cell where you want the first drop-down list. In my case, it is gonna be A2. Go to data, select data validation, select a list in here, and in source field select the range that contains the items you want to show. In my case, it is gonna be A1 to C1. Confirm. We have got the first drop-down list now. Now select the data set, press Ctrl, go to formulas, define names and create from selection. Check the top row option, confirm. Select the cell where you want the dependent drop-down list. In my case, it is gonna be B2. Go to data, data validation, select list in here, and in here type the formula indirect A2 in my case.